What if I told you the world's biggest companies, your favorite apps, and even your photos on social media rely on something invisible, something you can't touch, but that powers nearly everything online? That invisible powerhouse is cloud computing. At its core, cloud computing is the delivery of computing resources, like servers, storage, databases, networking, and software, over the internet, often called the cloud. Instead of owning physical hardware or complex infrastructure, businesses and individuals can rent access to these resources, paying only for what they use. The beauty of cloud computing lies in its flexibility and scalability. Imagine running a small startup one day and suddenly experiencing a surge of customers the next. With traditional infrastructure, you'd face downtime or high costs to upgrade. With the cloud, you simply scale up instantly, meeting demand without missing a beat. There are three main service models to understand. First, infrastructure as a service, or IaaS, provides the raw building blocks like virtual servers and storage. Second, platform as a service, or PaaS, offers a ready-made environment where developers can build and deploy applications without managing the underlying hardware. Finally, software as a service, or SaaS, delivers ready-to-use applications like email platforms, video conferencing tools, or CRM software, everything managed by the provider. Cloud computing also comes in different deployment models. Public cloud services, like those from AWS, Microsoft Azure, or Google Cloud, are shared across multiple users. Private clouds, on the other hand, are dedicated to a single organization, offering greater control and security. Hybrid clouds combine both, giving businesses the flexibility to run sensitive data on private infrastructure while leveraging the scalability of public resources. But the advantages go beyond convenience. The cloud reduces upfront costs, increases reliability, supports remote collaboration, and empowers innovation. From artificial intelligence and machine learning to big data analytics, the cloud is the foundation enabling today's most advanced technologies. Of course, challenges exist. Data security, compliance, and vendor lock-in remain critical considerations. Still, with careful planning and the right provider, cloud computing is one of the most transformative forces reshaping business and daily life. So, as we look at a future built on digital innovation, here's a thought: how do you think cloud computing will continue to reshape the way we work, connect, and live?